Sustainable growth has become one of the most critical challenges and opportunities of our time. In the field of civil engineering, it represents more than just the use of environmentally friendly materials or low-carbon solutions. It is a transformation in mindset, a redefinition of how infrastructure is designed, how resources are managed, and how development aligns with the long-term well-being of both people and the planet. If you are a civil engineer or part of a design team shaping tomorrow's infrastructure, stay until the end of this video to explore how sustainable design and outsourcing partnerships can help your projects grow responsibly and efficiently. Civil engineers play a central role in shaping this transformation. Every city, road, and drainage network reflects the choices engineers make today for the generations that follow. In land development design, engineers are now required to think beyond short-term performance metrics. The question is no longer only about how to complete a project efficiently, but also about how to build systems that remain functional, adaptable, and responsible over decades of use. The path to sustainable growth begins at the earliest stages of design. Before the first line is drawn, engineers must consider how terrain grading will affect water flow, how stormwater management can prevent flooding, and how materials can be optimized to minimize waste. Each of these design choices carries environmental consequences, and each one offers an opportunity for innovation. Through careful analysis and data-driven planning, civil engineers can create developments that coexist with nature rather than compete against it. Technology has become a powerful ally in this pursuit. With modern tools like Civil 3D and advanced simulation software, engineers can now predict the long-term behavior of terrain, drainage, and road systems before they are built. These digital insights allow teams to identify risks early, test multiple design scenarios, and reduce the ecological footprint of each project. Sustainable engineering is no longer a separate category of work. It is becoming the standard by which all projects will be judged. Yet sustainability is not achieved through tools alone. It requires a culture of precision, accountability, and collaboration. Civil engineering firms that succeed in this space understand that sustainable design is a continuous process, one that evolves through each project and every partnership. It demands not just technical expertise, but also the ability to coordinate across disciplines, manage resources responsibly, and align with global standards for environmental protection. As the world faces rapid urbanization, sustainable growth also becomes a question of scale. Cities are expanding faster than ever, and design teams must handle increasingly complex projects within tight timelines. This is where strategic partnerships play a key role. Outsourcing certain phases of design and analysis enables engineering firms to maintain quality and control while increasing flexibility and output. The result is a system that supports sustainable practices both technically and operationally. These principles are applied daily by leading outsourcing providers such as AXA Engineers, supporting civil engineering firms in scaling their design operations with reliability and precision. Through technical collaboration and attention to detail, AXA Engineers helps project teams deliver land development and infrastructure designs that align with modern sustainability goals. The approach focuses on achieving accuracy, efficiency, and long-term value in every stage of the design process. Civil engineers hold the responsibility of designing the physical world that future generations will inherit. The path to sustainable growth requires more than innovation. It calls for integrity, foresight, and partnership. By combining thoughtful design, advanced technology, and a global perspective, the profession continues to evolve toward a future where progress and preservation coexist. To explore how outsourcing can enhance sustainable engineering practices, visit AXA Engineers, a trusted partner for civil design excellence.